ThunderCats, can't we? ThunderCats is a fun one. I'm not going to disable up control. That's what we learned. It's important. Just for web. The pocket AG of the stream. The epic music web likes. Okay, are you guys ready for a run?
3, 2, 1, go!
Unpredictability in enemies sometimes is also something that catches me off guard a lot, because they tend to jump when they don't. I mean, these always do jump, so that's fine. Okay. What was the Kirby sound for a sec? That was...
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, it's from the Amiga. Okay, it's easier with the gun, to be honest. Oh no, not the sword. I mean, the sword is good, right? Okay, we can hit those. Oh yeah, another life. We sure need that. But that game is very high score-ish, as you can see. Just the way the game works, right? Killing enemies, going from one end of the level to another. Oh, the bonus stage. Can we save Rygar, whatever his name is? Oh, give us the extra 500. We take him. Oh, and give us that extra life. We take all of it. Not extra 500. We take him. Those eyes are the only things that are making me nervous. Sometimes. Another 500. We take him. Oh no, he blocked it. He blocked it. That was really good teamwork there between those two. And another life. And another one. It's also enemy manipulation in the game. If you spawn at a totally different spot, game will give you interesting enemy behavior options, so that's a thing to behold. Oh no, I was greedy there, but it's okay. Bonus level. I'd love to know what this was about. You mean...
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, we learned not fire first. We start off with water, then we go for air, then we go for fire, then we go for earth. We learned it. It's another gun. We're not gonna detour for something we already do have. It gives a bit of points. on top of the existing ones, but in my opinion, not worth giving up the time bonus in this map for these items. And don't... Jay casually explaining, and I was like ready to figure shit out. Thanks for that. Well, Cake, it's an old game. Listen to the sound design of this game. Having a Smash Bros. 3-2-1 all of a sudden with Kirby music in the background in this game would be weird, right? Just saying. I mean, it's not out of the realm of possibilities, but it would have been weird. You gotta admit. Water is definitely one of the longer levels in ThunderCats, I have the feeling. Talking out of my ass right now, though, because we haven't finished it yet, so we wouldn't know for sure. Sometimes in life there are fights which are not meant to be picked. This here was one that we would pick, though. Oh, not the sword. Sword is nice for Earth, though. First comes air. There we go. That's why I was confused. 8 of those are the end theme songs. 16 wave sounds. Yes, sir. Air. And it automatically gives us the sword. Sometimes it be like that. But sword has a very active hitbox, so... in situations like that, you just have to sit back and let it roll. It's a nice change of pace having the sword. We have to take our time. Oh, we got another life. Yeah, you guys get all the time in the world, it seems. I'm trying to make a living out here, and you guys are just being chilling. Just because I'm a ThunderCat, that's discriminating towards the whole population of ThunderCats. Ho, ho, ho. I will follow him. Follow him wherever he may fly. Oh, you're trying to get away from me, huh? Alright. No! Oh. No! Okay, there we lost focus. Singing is not a good idea for high scorers. Heard it here first. Oh, what? Okay. This enemy RNG. Noch nicht mehr wurscht. Smart use of power. Yeah, they know how to double it. Uh-oh. Took us so long that now the blood moon is nigh. Which means way more enemies now. But at least we got the kill bonus of 89. Your gun skills are improving fast though. Thank you, sir. Okay, now fire. Fucking stage with the buggies, huh? But I think my sword skills are very sharp today as well. There it is, Van. The moment you've been waiting for. Whoa, what? Whoa, okay. Oof. What is this? A shoot 'em up for ants? Oh, why would he go fast? Why? Why are you running? Yeah. Okay, we're going. We're going strong. No, 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 no. Oh, we're still in the buggy. It's all good. Oh, I'm trying to get out of this level as fast as possible. But this proves to be really hard on reaction since the game has a bit of input delay, naturally. Not the emulation or the Amiga, just the game. Oh. Oh, it was a good run. Cake like, no, no. No. Okay, only Earth is left. Only Earth is left. Oh, what? We were too close. Micromanagement again? Yeah, das. Ooh. No, 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 no. Ooh. Oh, yeah. But hey, we take the trade. That's the strat to kill him. I wondered yesterday how I would do it. And I thought if you crouch, you can hit all the enemies that would approach, but at the same time, kill him in time. That proved to be true. Oh, except when they're coming in from behind. Ah, oh, okay, now there, that's the part about it, yeah. That's why we did the other levels first, to farm enough lives. Okay, so we're farther already than yesterday, which is nice. And just to check real quick, yesterday's score on this game was 114k, now we're on 150 basically, so... Oh, rescue Panthera for a bonus something. Nice. Got you, Panthera. You know what, Panthera? If we're gonna do it like this, and you're sending out this shield boys, I'm reconsidering. Maybe you need to stick to this realm for a bit longer. Oh, but you give me lives? Oh, oh, oh! ThunderCats. Okay, that is unfortunate. Because we need to wait them out. Most importantly, this thing decided to pop up here for a measly 500 points, which makes us wait again. But we killed him on his turning point of the turning point of his KD. It's fine. Ooh. Well, it would have been a sword, so it's all good. It's all good. And rescue Pantrodo. Il Pantrolones. Pantroleones. Pantrolones. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, and I think that will do it. Yeah, why not? There we go. We rescued Pantalones. Did we? Did he show up, or how does it work now? I'm not sure. Mission bonus of 25k. Nice. Okay. This mission, though, we're at the entrance of the cave of the bad guy, seemingly. Yeah, this is impossible to get. A bit of a pity here, but ooh, small ones are no fun, are they? The gun, though, very fun. Of course, vanishing platforms. You're not allowed to snipe for too long, otherwise you'll get killed. Where are you running? Not why, but where. Yeah, and this was unavoidable, because they don't despawn. Oh no, I could have done, like, just going to the left, right, left, and then it would have despawned. Just, like, leaving the screen. So we'll see here. Skull. Would potentially be nice. This one was potentially not nice. And also theoretically. And why are we just running behind that bat? Well, sometimes it be like that. In it. This dude. Sue! Leo, how are you doing today? Are you feeling good? You want to play some Strife later? I didn't have the chance to catch your checker yesterday! And I would love to play you, Leo. Bro, that is so scuffed. Okay. But we still came out strong enough. Nice! Strife is cringe. I thought you liked it yesterday. Leo making Jake lose a life. Everything makes me lose a life at the moment. Oh, it's reverse fire. No scooter. I'm a bit disappointed. Level would be high enough for scooter action. Also, cake. I forgot to ask, but I wanted to ask you for the longest time. Do you have Brillenputztücher? Glasses to clean your glasses. Tissues to clean your glasses. Because I want to clean my display, and I heard it's the easiest using that. I want to give it an honest shot. Sounds good. Oh, 2 lives already up. Leo didn't sound like he didn't like it. He was having a lot of fun with AJ. Hey, we going. Okay, those we can't reach without the sword, which is fine. Then I lost 60% for 0 bars and I did 10% with super. Yeah, but it's because you don't do optimized stuff yet. Me neither. Ah! That's when talking to people is not a good idea, is it? Maybe we managed to pass it. That's okay. We're still in 13 lives, so I think we're doing good. Yeah, that was inevitable. Except for doing the screen clearing glitch, which I always forget, but I thought the upper skull is going to kill me anyway, so I was being a bit too unconscious there. But we seem to be somewhere in space. There's like a stranded Uranus. I'm gonna say it so there's no confusing with what I'm saying, right? Ah, just wait for the chambers, Leo. She's gonna be busted anyways when she comes out. We all know that. If she gets a similar treatment like Chiyu does. Ooh. But they're sure taking their time with Cham. Cham is such a dedicated fan base, they know it. I'd say she's almost on par with Baiken. You know, Bike is the character everyone would love to play, but Cham is the character that people actually play when they pick up the game. Oh, nice, brawler, looks cool, has ponytails, and she's fast. She got cool looking moves, you can chain them into each other. I'm gonna pick Cham. That's usually how it goes. Scuffed! Scuffed! But there should be the end soon, right? This level has been going on for quite a while. There we go. Just had to ask for it. Got you, Vam. More losses, more runs, more streams, more viewing pleasure for me. Back is a big fan base of fans who don't play it. Yeah. Chem has a more dedicated following, I would say. Yeah, but all the people at my local, for example, picked up Guilty Whaler were like, oh, this character looks cool. And picked up Chem as their first character. And they weren't turned down when you told them what the character's about. They were like, oh, those are the mechanics, that's super cool. So people rather laughed her than thinking, oh, this sounds too complicated. With Pike, if you told them, like, this is the tatami thing you want to go for, like, yeah, I think I'm good. Guilty is too complicated. Not as fun as I thought it would be. How many of you? Guys, what is this? This is like a summer's night, and I'm having delicious food. And you decide to just come on in and take a shit on my barbecue. Bro, okay. These levels are now getting a bit noxious and I'm losing my focus as well. So it's a 50-50. Never 100% Jake's fault. Hahaha. Okay, that skull won't work for me. Sorry, skull. But we were never off to a good start, were we? Really? It might actually be a good thing. That's the thing about this game. I got no clear preference. I felt that I would be sometimes faster with the gun, but at the same time the sword has such a good hitbox. Why wouldn't I want to use the sword, right? Okay, that's cuffed again. But let me tell you what. We do it anyways. You won't become a successful ThunderCat if you don't take the dare. This one, though, it's a more complicated one. Oh, we gotta take the gun then. This is more mobility. We're good. We just change. We just change it up. Oh, we gotta finish the level, but... Okay, well, fine. Okay, now this is a score we're talking about in ThunderCats. Nice, I like this. Okay, now we are again in another level. Guess that's the game now. Let's see how far we can go. Enemies seem to be randomized, not the levels though, so there's gotta be an end to all of it at some point. Oh, come on! The boxes in this game are still cheeky. Cheeky little box bastards. Let me tell you what, this one is not to our liking. So that's... Woo! MLG movement. Oh yeah, you can just give it to me in 2 different positions and we'll be good, right? Nice train of thought game. What? Oh, the jump button, it didn't work. I'm starting to learn a new language by just playing this game. It's a language of pain and remorse. At least that. So that train wasn't in vain. That train. Runaway trade, never gonna hide. I promised myself. I promised new records to you. These midnight hours. Panic for your life. Bruh. Oh, Wily Kit. It's a different protection level. The heated protection levels. Oh yeah. Bet I'm checking you guys out because I need those lives back to keep that score on going. That was a dangerous bet though. I should not have taken that easily. Oh, okay. There goes the singing again. Ah, you know it. Caught me. No mission bonus. Now for the final battle against the force of Mumra, the ever-living. Oh, okay. Seems like we made it to the last level and we died instantly. Nice. And we instantly gained what we lost. Nice as well! Ah, game! Gameru! Bayaru. But to be honest, I think it's rather fair that you don't lose your lives, your pickups when you die. You die, the pickups stay, enemies vanish though. So you get a screen clear. I would say this game is very fair in difficulty, but it's very fun. It's very fun. It's simple, but it's fun. It's a game I would advise anyone to check out. I want to see Flo try to beat this score. I really want to have Flo try this one. I think he will enjoy the simplicity of it. While there's a challenge still. Easy to learn. Mediocre to master. Yo, serial killer! Oh! Wololo! Thank you for the raid! My man, what's good? Welcome in. Welcome all you guys to the chat. My name is Jake. We are practicing and running high score runs for the Amiga today. Now this has been a 1-week effort. Oh, screen clear here. And currently we're running ThunderCats on the Amiga. The computer I loved and grew up with. And it seems like there's a dead end. So you can't do a shoutout in this layout. So we gotta wait till this run is over. I cannot compromise this run. So we're gonna do a shoutout to our good friend from another stream. Once we depleted all our lives, which is more likely, then we will finish this game now. Although we are on the last level, it seems like we have to go to the other direction. So somehow the level design is a bit of a maze. Maybe we learned something right there. So, what have you guys been up to? Baldur's Gate? I just barely managed to hit you in lurk mode the last few days, Cyril, sadly. I've been really busy with stuff in the community and also with working on these puppets here. My world record runs for the Amiga. But we already submitted 11 ones. There would be 17 to submit for now. But I'm just trying to make them better than they originally were. But we hit some of them out of the ballpark quite a lot, beating old records, which were way higher. Okay. Twitch reactions here, guys. It's Twitch after all, so Twitch reactions are more than welcome. Also, I see Pond's familiar Pond type in chat. Welcome, Pond, as well. Yeah, the game that never ends. I wanted to ask, like, you're grinding the game, so I would have imagined the game to be over soon, but to no avail, it seems. You're still going with Baldur's Gate, right? But is the game... You said the stream was fun. Is the game fun as well, or do you just have great company all the time? Because, for being honest, a great stream, 50% of a great stream is the viewers, right? It's you guys out there. So having a good audience obviously makes the game more enjoyable and the stream more successful in the long run. Like porn. Nobody watched it. Nobody would make it. People would just have sex like other people do, right? No need to go through all these lengths of having camera set up, the camera director, and all this healthy dialogue. Porn is just a different breed. Porn, basically Twitch is porn. And there we go. It's a circle. A demonic circle. It's a circle. And under the right circumstances, it can even become a circle jerk. Like, literally, the meaning of circle jerk. You never know. Okay, we're ranking up lives here again, which is nice. What is 6? Oh, you beat the main game. Is the expansion along with the Switch edition you have? And how much more content can you expect from that edition? Because the base game already seemed to be like a heavy load of content. Come on, we must be able to finish the last boss now. Mumra must have some secrets going on here in this lair, which I wasn't able to find until yet. Oh, another point item at least. Maybe this is where stuff will go down. Who knows? Oh, okay, athletics. Oh, now there he is. He's like, ha ha ha. Oh, wow. So the whole time, the game wanted us to use this thing. And now we got an onslaught of enemies. So we just gotta go turbo mode and hope that we get no collisions, because this is gonna get... Oh, it's gonna get too dicey now, because he can now endlessly spawn those. Oh, we gotta be very careful now. Oh boy. The whole level now under these circumstances. Why is this game designed like that? This is awful. Gotta be on my total Twitch reactions now. At the same time, we want to catch those skulls, because otherwise we're gonna run out of lives at some point. Also, I've always been interested. No, you can only shoot those which spawn out of the ground. Ah. Oh. Take it easy in the space chat. Well, it's hard to handle. Oh, the hitbox of them. Oh, and why are we going in reverse? No, 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 no. The car is all like... Speed. 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 We gotta make the music now since the game has no music. There we go. Ooh, Mama Rive's defeated. The Eye of Thunderer is returned.
Bruh.
Ah, nice. This run was... Ah, Mamera is a butthole, right? Mamera is a butthole. $404K, 250. So that's our final score. 404K and 250. Let me put that in here. ThunderCats. 404, 250.